The thing that really drew me into political science was back when I was in high school. The 2016 election was happening, and I was getting into debates at the lunch table with my friends. And that was something that kind of drew me into politics. I always wanted to go to school in Boston. All of the schools that I applied to were within the Boston area. And Emmanuel College really stood out among all of them. The campus environment here is just incredible. You get the quad, you get a little bit of nature. It kind of is like a little escape, but then you literally have the city right at your doorsteps. They have a really good alumni network to allow you to pursue a lot of different experiences, to find internships and really awesome opportunities. I'd say I'm really proud of my time with Senator Markey's office. I worked as a congressional intern. For him, I specifically focused on environmental policy and veterans affairs policy primarily. And also it did expand my academic outlook because I actually got to apply the things that I've learned here in the workspace. I really wanted that liberal arts experience. I wanted to have a diverse background. I always valued that. This was a school that really promised that and really promoted that you'd get a well-rounded experience here, that you could explore all of your interests. And that was one of the biggest factors for why I applied and ended up coming here. It's been really interesting to kind of experience some of our arts classes here, some of our religions classes here. And I feel like I'm a more well-rounded person. And I feel like there's a quality of life there. And I think that that's really the beauty of a liberal arts kind of background. Emmanuel is the heart of liberal arts. Emmanuel is the heart of Boston.